Last time we have read about the degree measure. Now come to the radian measure. The measurement of angles through the degree and a radian, they are playing vital roles to find the values of different trigonometry ratios in different angles. Now, radian measure. Consider a unit circle center at O. Consider unit circle center at O. Angle subtended at the center. Angle subtended at the center by an arc length 1 unit in a unit circle is said to have a measure of 1 radian. You see, this is circle centered O with radius 1 unit we have taken. OB is my initial side and OA is my terminal side, and the length of BA and AB, that is 1 unit. This measure radius taken as arc length 1 unit. So the angle inclined at the center is 1 radian. Since the circumference of a circle of radius 1 unit, circle has radius 1 unit and the circumference is 2 pi 1, that is 2 pi radian, is 2 pi 1 equal to 2 pi. One complete revolution of the initial side OB, if we take into one complete revolution, the initial side subtends an angle of 2 pi radian. Similarly, come to another circle. Here, the unit circle is centered O with radius 1 unit and the arc length also 1 unit. Here we measured this OB is initial side, terminal side below of the initial side. That's why this angle subtends a minus 1 radian. In a circle of radius r units, an arc length of r units with subtends an angle 1 radian. You see, in a circle of radius r units, let us come to a circle center at O with the radius r units. OB the initial side r unit, OA is the terminal side r unit, and the arc length AB is r unit. It subtends 1 radian. Arc length r units with subtend an angle of 1 radian. It is known that the equal arcs of a circle subtends equal angle at the center. Here R by R, and arc length L, if we take the arc length L here, will subtend an angle whose measure is L by R radian. If we take L in place of R, come to here, we have 1 unit the radius, unit circle, and taken 1.5 unit, 1.5 unit the arc length. My angle inclined at center is 1.5 radian. Similarly, an arc length L will subtend an angle whose measure is L by R radian. If we denote it by theta, so theta equal to L by R, that means L equal to R theta units. Now come to relation between degree and radian. We know that a circle subtends at the center an angle 2 pi radian and its degree measure is 360 degree. So 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. Here the total angle is 360 degree. One revolution it takes 360 degree. So 2 pi radian equal to 360 degrees. 1 radian equal to 360 by 2 pi, or pi radian equal to 180 degree. We can take pi equal to 22 by 7. 1 radian equal to 180 degree by pi. So 180 degree by 22 by 7. So 180 degree into 7 by 20. So 57 degree 16 minute approximately. Similarly, 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So pi by 180, that is 22 by 7 by 180. So 0.01746 approximately. Come to the relation. We have a table, degree table and radian table. I have taken up to 240 degrees. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. In your set square, in your compass, set square is there. Set square contains different degrees of angles. So 0 degree, 0 radian, 30 degree, pi by 6 radian, 45 degree, pi by 4 radian, 60 degree, pi by 3 radian, 90 degree, pi by 2 radian, in this manner. Come to the unit circle. The circle contains, radius is 1 unit, but measuring 360 1 revolution. So we got 360 degrees. So 30 degree, how can we find 30 degree? 30 degree means pi by 6, as 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. Therefore 30 degree equal to pi into 30 by 180. So pi by 6 radian. In this way we can calculate all these radian measure. Now come to the radian table. In radian figure, we took another unit circle, and here initial side is OB, and rotates first cycle, second cycle and third cycle in this manner up to n cycles. N means the n must be in the natural set. You see, first of all, initial side the angle measure is 0, and as we are measuring through the radian, so this 90 degree pi by 2 radian, and 180 degree pi radian, 240 degree, in this way we got 4 pi by 3 radian here also, and in this manner 270 3 pi by 2, and another pi by 2, that is 2 pi, 4 pi by 2, that is 2 pi, and similarly we got 5 pi by 2, 3 pi, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 5 pi, 11 pi by 2. Okay, in this form. In general, the angle inclined on the x-axis towards right, even multiple of pi, 2 and pi for all n in the natural set. Similarly, if we come to the negative side, the angle subtends at pi, 3 pi, 5 pi and odd multiple of pi for all n in the natural set. Similarly, for the pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, each and every cycle to the pi by 2 we are covering 4 pi by 2, that is 5 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, and in this way 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Similarly, 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. After completing one revolution, 7 pi by 2. After completing revolution, 11 pi by 2. In this way, 4n minus 1 pi by 2 for all n in the set n. This was the relation between the degree and radian measure. Now come to example. Convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. We know that 180 degree equal to pi radian. So 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. Here 40 degree 20 minutes means 41 by 3 degree. As 60 minute equal to 1 degree, 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degree. So 20 minute equal to 1 by 3 degree. So we convert into rational form. Now this 41 by 3 is converted into rational 121 by 3 into pi by 180 radian. So 121 pi by 540 radians are. Convert 6 radians into degree measure. Solution. Since pi radian equal to 180 degree, so 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. So 6 radian equal to 180 degree into 6 by pi. That is 180 into 6, 1080, and pi value 22 by 7. We solve it and got 343 7 by 11 degree. Also 6 radian equal to 343 degree plus 7 by 11 degree. 343 degree plus 7 into 60 minute by 11. So as 1 degree equal to 16 minutes. So 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes. We convert into seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60 multiplied and divide 11. So we got 10.9 milliseconds. Approximately we do 343 degree, 38 minutes and 11 seconds approximately.